Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Admission open for playgroup, pre-nursery and nursery. Angels Play School, Upper Lachimia, Shillong. Contact 98635-67162 or 600-9322457.
Bull, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Nadu ka pratrik uluber arja khandai. Ka sarkar pedeng ling ba ka Ministry of Donor ka lamang tingka saup khandai poin pra kulur tingka nak benta ban penhe ya ka Mawlai substation nakalai la arpho MVA syakalai la sampho MVA Henry hatu benta dan Rio Snem empat la ban penteri kam ya ka Henry Shen hau banaya yong araja pesan ka sarkar kan sakhat tender no ban Sdang no ekakam ya kanila jubab do menteri katnat boarding u Abu Tahir Mandal ya ka jingkili bron ra do MLA ka Mawlai ba Bright Star Well Marbanyang u menteri ula jubab ba ka daw ba ka project ka Snem ban Sdang ka dei na marbala hab ban weng no ya ka tender ka bala dep menjur menchua namar ba kim shim lala ban pinbit pinbiang kat kum ki kindon trikam jong ka dona hadin kanila wan sa ka model code of conduct bat kawan sa ka khlam covid kum ta kala sa teng no nrei hau banai rempang arja psa ka sarkar pedeng kala pedang ya ka detail project report ba ka sarkar jilla kala pha bat kala menjur ba ka jinglut ban chnai kini ka project kan long nyop khandai poin arpulai kilo tingka nrei kan bei pisapat kumba kala mang menchua kata tang saup khandai poin pra kilo tingka bat ka basa kata saat khandai poin sau pulai kilo tingka hab ban bei hi da ka sarkar jilla.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 64. Sir, the revised project cost from rupees 49.8 crore to rupees 79.23 crore was approved by the Ministry of Donor on 16th January 2025. Due to escalation of cost of the project, the central share has been limited to the original approved cost of rupees 49.8 crore and the additional cost of rupees 29.43 crore to be borne by the state government. The implementation has been initiated by Meghalaya Power Transmission Corporation Limited. Sir.
Your supplementary question, please.
Honorable Speaker, through you, I would like to know from the Minister in charge power the reason for the delay.
Sir, there are many reasons for delay. One of the reasons is that there was cancellation of the original tender for not following the codal formalities set under NACI's guideline by Ministry of Donor. Then the project was sanctioned on the 8th of March 2019, but on 9th of March 2019, Model Code of Conduct was enforced that continued for till 25 May 2019. Then there was outbreak of COVID, there was these lockdowns and all these things were there. Then submissions of DPRs 2 times was revised with all parameters to keep the original cost intact and sent to the Ministry of Donor, but Ministry of Donor had not agreed. Finally, the revised DPR of rupees 79.23 crore was sent to the Ministry of Donor on February 2024, and it took almost 1 year to get clearance from the Ministry of Donor. The deliberation and discussion took place with various ministries like Ministry of Power, then Ministry of Donor, and some central agencies like Niti Aayog and Central Electricity Authority. So all these factors took some more time to finalize this project, sir.
Now the reason why I asked for the reason for the delay of the project is because as we can see through the reply of the minister concerned, in fact, even after the revised project has been approved by donor, at the end of the day, the state stands to lose, where an additional cost of 29.43 crores have to be borne by the state government. So then my next supplementary question is, I would like to know whether the work have started or not.
Sir, the detailed tender documents are ready, and we will be floating the tender in the month of April 2025.
Okay, I would like to thank the minister, but then I will request the minister in charge of power to kindly speed up the work and to make sure also that our local contractors or suppliers should be given preference while implementing this particular scheme.
Sir, we will be try to see that these projects come up as early as possible, because this is one of the most important substation as far as Shillong city is concerned, which was constructed in the year 1964, and this almost serve the consumers. 60% consumers of Shillong locality will be definitely seeing. And as per the awarding the contract to the local contractor, it will depends how they fulfill the criteria laid down by the tender documents.